to make simple hello world program using Python and Django Framework. So before starting, open your cmd command, type cmd and you will see the command prompt, and I can type cd desktop. We are moving towards desktop directory, and I can write one folder, make directory hello world, and cd hello world. This will make one directory folder, and cd means we are moving inside directory folder. And I can simply make one virtual environment. Virtual environment necessary in order to install dependency that are required in our project. So all the dependency that are required, all the third parties library which are required is to be installed in this virtual environment. So after installing the BNB file, simply we have to activate it. BNB script and activate. So here I can type pip install Django. So first you need to have a Python in your machine. So the Python version is above 3.5. You have to install the Python with the above version of 3.5. So here now I can write, so I can prefreeze means what are the dependencies that are installed. So here requirement.txt file, I simply copy this dependency into this requirements.txt file, and then if I write pip, so I can write python manager by run server. There is nothing, that means we haven't have this manager by. So in order to make Django project, we simply write Django -admin, and if you write this command and simply enter, then you can see we are going to make a start project. That means Django -start project. So Django start project, and I simply write my project name is root. So inside root, simply moving towards the root directory, and I can write dir means fetching all directory file that are inside in root, and I can write so that time manager by run server. So in order to run the server, you need to write the command python or py manager by run server. So enter. Here you can see. So if I simply go to my browser, and I can simply write this code, then you can see Django, the install works successfully. Congratulations, Django has been installed successfully in our module, in our project. So you can simply open this file with the subline text. So I simply use the editor, use subline text for my project. You can use VS Code also as you wish. So here I can write. So we are going to make a simple hello world program. So here let me write, this is root. So I can write, so in order to make applications, we simply need to write py manager by start app and application name. So I can write hello as my application name. So here, so our hello application has been successfully done, and so I need to do one thing, that so this models means for the database purpose and views. So we are just making our function here in order to render into our browser. So I can simply write div hello world, and I can write request and return. So I can write simply from Django the HTTP input HTTP response, and interactive response. I can simply write s1 tag, and this is the hello world. So here this is the hello world. So I have to make the URL file in our application, since in project URL file will automatically have, but in main application we have to make it. We have to make custom URL file. So from Django.urls import path, and I can write, so from the import.views, and I can simply write URLs patterns, and I can write here path and views dot hello world, and name equals to hello. So here, so by making this URL file in hello, or in this project, in these applications, we have to write here URL file, or we have to include it. So path include, so we have the hello.urls. That means this URL file will be executed in our project. So here if I run server, then you can see if I hit enter, then hello world has been replicated. So we have successfully make our hello world applications in. So don't forget to write here, you have to install here, you have to name of your applications in your project settings or file install applications. So I hope you understood. This is a simple hello world program that we have made successfully. So thank you.